Record. Well, thank you, Swati.
Welcome, ma'am.
So, I'll again repeat. So I was telling that you start seeing the data, individual data in the Excel sheet which you have entered. Like I'll show you. Let's. So this was we will share this extracted data sheet. So if I come here and see the outcome measurement. So I'll closely see this and then I will see like here mean duration of diarrhea 48 hours and 68 hours in control group with standard deviation. Outcome again, other outcome were like stool consistency and the stool frequency reduction. But currently I will focus on the mean duration. So now I have to enter these data in a separate Excel sheet because with this Excel sheet, I cannot do the meta-analysis. For meta-analysis, I need to enter this in another Excel sheet. So similarly, this you can see we have entered the duration of diarrhea. Here it is 6.8 days. You can see control 6.6 days. Whereas here you can see it is hours. So this will show us here also you can see mean direction in zinc group. There's a Saccharomyces plus zinc. Again, this is in days. So you have to convert now all the data into hours. So what you can do, keep entering these data on an Excel sheet. What all variables should be there in an Excel sheet? So should we be telling or they have to extract? So I will demonstrate after they extract. Okay. So now what you have to do, have we shared the data extract for meta-analysis? Sharing. Okay. So there is a breakout room activity for you people. You will pick up the same study on which you did the data extraction and the quality appraisal. You have to enter that data in the Google Sheet, which we are sharing, Google Form. Okay. We are getting it in Google Form. So you have to enter the data in the Google Form. And then we are seeing here. So it will be populated. And then we will demonstrate regarding the type of data which you have entered and how we can extract that, because the software which we are using, that is the Jamovie software. So all that, all for all practical purpose, because we are not going to do a very large number of studies as the way Cochrane does. So I think most of you should be able to do it on Jamovie because it gives you all the three options like 2x2 table, the mean difference, and then effect size also. So, and most of the things it comes, even it writes the result. That is a very beautiful part. In the module which we will show, it writes all the interpretation also. So you don't need to write that. You only need to copy and paste. Definitely you should be able to understand, but no need to write the interpretation. Jamovie writes it. So we have shared it. So have you understood the activity? So all the 22 people, maybe, and the rest of the people who could not write, you can also do it. You can pick any of the paper. Maybe only 22 people have written. So the rest of them who have not submitted, you can also submit the response of the data entry domain. And we have shared. It is basically the three domain is there. There is a mean, there is a standard deviation, and there is a N. N is the total size in control and intervention group. Am I making myself clear to all of you? So please look into the table. Table means the result section. There you have to see for the mean duration of diarrhea in the control group and in the intervention group. And we are taking the mean duration at 4th day. Outcome you have to define. If you want to keep it at 3 days, that's okay. So the study which they have reviewed, na? So you have to do it only single study, which you have reviewed, extracted the data and did the risk of bias. There might be a case when like two person can do the data extraction of the same study, because I think Dalgic and all three people have done the risk of bias. That's okay. So Akash, no, it was Anand, Dr. Anand, are you there?